Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to make money with social media. Influencer marketing secrets. If you are passionate about social media and want to learn how to leverage it to generate income, you are in the right place. In this video, we will share valuable insights and secrets of influencer marketing that can help you monetize your social media presence. So, let's get started. Understanding influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a powerful strategy that involves collaborating with influential individuals on social media platforms to promote products or services. It's a win-win situation where brands benefit from the influencers' reach and credibility, while influencers earn income through brand partnerships. Identifying your niche and building your personal brand. To succeed as an influencer, it's crucial to identify your niche and build a strong personal brand. Determine your areas of expertise or interest and create content around them. Develop a unique voice, style, and aesthetic that resonate with your target audience. Consistency and authenticity are key to building a loyal following. Growing your social media following. Building a substantial social media following is essential for attracting brands and monetizing your social media presence. Engage with your audience regularly by responding to comments, hosting question and answer sessions, and creating interactive content. Utilize relevant hashtags and collaborate with other influencers to expand your reach. Remember, quality engagement is more important than the number of followers. Finding and collaborating with brands. Once you have built a solid following, it's time to find and collaborate with brands. Research brands that align with your niche and values. Reach out to them with a well-crafted pitch highlighting your audience demographics, engagement rates, and previous successful collaborations. Be professional and negotiate fair compensation for your services. Sponsored posts and product reviews. One of the primary ways influencers monetize their social media presence is through sponsored posts and product reviews. Brands pay influencers to promote their products or services to their audience. Ensure that the products or services align with your niche and that you genuinely believe in them. Your audience trust should always be a top priority. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another effective way to earn income as an influencer. Partner with brands and promote their products or services using unique affiliate links or discount codes. You earn a commission for each sale or referral made through your links. Be transparent with your audience about affiliate partnerships to maintain trust. Creating and selling your own products. As your influence grows, you can consider creating and selling your own products. This could be physical merchandise, digital products, or even online courses. Leverage your expertise and audience trust to create products that provide value and solve your audience problem. This allows you to have more control over your income and diversify your revenue streams. Sponsored events and collaborations. In addition to sponsored posts, influencers can also secure opportunities for sponsored events and collaborations. This could include hosting or attending events, partnerships with brands for special projects, or even brand ambassadorships. This collaboration can provide additional income and exposure for your brand. Track your performance and analyze results. To maximize your earning potential, it's essential to track your performance and analyze the results of your campaigns. Use social media analytics tools to monitor key metrics such as engagement rates, reach, and conversion rates. Identify what works and what doesn't, and adjust your strategies accordingly to optimize your monetization efforts. Congratulations, you have gained valuable insights and secrets of influencer marketing that can help you monetize your social media presence. Remember, identify your niche, build a personal brand, grow your following, collaborate with brands, create sponsored content, explore affiliate marketing, consider creating your own products, and track your performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.